Hello YouTubers, today I want to share a few final thoughts on the DIY meal project. As you've seen in previous videos, we've gotten a vacuum sealer and have been repacking a mountain house and making our own meals. Now that we've had it a while and have made several meals and used them, and we've got a few thoughts to share on our experience. First up, we've decided that the 5 meal bags that we had been using are a little thin, and we're going to start using 7 meal bags. The 5 meal bags hadn't really been sealing all that well and getting punctured by some of the freeze-dried food and this refilling with air. So we're going to go to so we started using the 7 meal bags, which seems to have solved that problem. The 2-quart bags that we've been using are a little tall and big for the size of the meals we've been preparing, so it's a bit wasteful. So we're going to try to find some more appropriate sized bags. And lastly, I'm going to show some video of me preparing the meals, just to show that it's just like preparing a regular Mountain House meal. First up, we have a Mountain House chicken a la king that we repacked. And here I'll be preparing a breakfast skillet that we repacked. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.